Hello and welcome. Today got this Hymer T780 MasterLine to show you. This motorhome will cost €205,000 almost. It's a motorhome for two people, as you can see. It's got at the back a German bed layout. It's quite bright inside thanks to the large window in the roof, and of course there's another large window at the back, and that's where we're going right now, to the bed. Now here we've got in the bedroom windows at either side plus storage as well. I'll show you the storage, how deep it is. Now at the back of the bed we've got some switches, and we've also got places to charge your phone up and other things. They're up there in here. Can I get them in the camera? Oh, maybe you can see them there. That's where they are. So if I come around here, you can see we've got a television, so you can watch television in bed. Now this is the German layout, as I call it, which means to say that we've got this mattress which will fit in here. There's also incidentally a plate for it as well, so it wouldn't fall out. But anyway, that plate that goes in there like that, and that gives you a really big bed, almost 2 square meters, almost, not quite. Under here we have got storage, wardrobe, and this wardrobe will also lift up from here as well. I won't do it now because the mattress is up there. And in here also we find more storage, currently being used for cushions. In the steps we find a ladder, and the ladder will come out like this. It's not really a ladder actually, it's more of steps. Step ladder, or can I just call them steps? And that is handy when you've got this in here. It goes that way around like that, to give you access to your bed. You see, that's how you get up into bed. Above the bed we've got a sky window, and anyway, through here we can close this door here to give us a bit of privacy. There's the toilet, really large toilet, and there is the very large shower unit. Now this vehicle has got a standing height of 198 centimeters, and it also comes with aircon and many other things. Now this particular vehicle has got a lot of extras to it. Now I'll give you a link which will show you what those extras are. Note, from here backwards or here forwards we've got a flat floor, and part of the clever bit of this chassis, the SLC chassis, which has been built in to the Hymer, is this deep double floor. Can offer a great deal of space down there for storage, and I think this is super useful. Having well, I don't have an SLC chassis in mind, but I do have the technical equipment in there. That's super easy access, in my opinion, to the electro block. Should you need to get access, and sooner or later you are going to need to get access to it. Things go wrong with the electricity even in the best vehicles. There you've got the batteries, and extendable as well. This comes with solar panels built in to it, 295 watt solar panels if I remember correctly. Anyway, but all the details though will be below, and this vehicle is ready to be taken now. It's got air suspension as well, as you see, and at the front stacks of light. Storage under here. As you see, And also coming into the kitchen now, freezer, fridge, and a grill up here. Kitchen with this very large modern cooking induction from Thetford, 2 sort of normal burners plus the induction burner. We've got this molded sink, large sink, and up here we've got this small sink as well in the kitchen. Modern looking. Now coming around here we have a wardrobe, so it's a second wardrobe for the vehicle. As well as the aircon, there's also this Tully fan. This is the full length of the table. L-shaped seating group, which I've had now an L-shaped seating group, and I think that it's pretty good in my opinion. Under here we can find the television. Let's have a look at some of the storage up here. So how far that goes back, down there as well. I really like these chairs. The chairs are supremely comfortable. And you've got a place there to hang your coat up as you come in. Door comes with 2 locks. 1, 2. There's the stand, and there's the security lock as well, which is here. So that's the 3rd one. Window in the door, hooks in the door, a very useful feature, and bin in the door, which I think is a useful feature. Although somebody said to me the other day, the only thing to keep in the bin is the dog's lead. See yourself as you're coming out. And now let's have a look around the outside, because I think some features of the outside are supremely clever. Right, so this is the very large garage, which you can see. Also comes with an outdoor shower. This garage can take 350 kilos of weight inside, and there's the carpet for the inside, which now as far as I've got a carpet for mine. I didn't actually use it, but I'm going to put it in for the winter, see how I get on with it in the winter. Now they've got on the other side, there's also a door which is just as large and which will also open. Gives you an idea like that. But I think the garage is absolutely outstanding. Something I'm really keen on. Storage. But if you've got long things, we've got additional storage down here, which is excellent, I think. There you go. So you see how deep that is. So you can put through things. That's part of the double floor. Use of the double floor for storage. That's the gas cabinet. And that's a quick look at this rather brilliant, in my opinion, motorhome. It's available now. There's lots and lots of additional kit on it, so if you want to know more, please have a look at the description. But for the moment, from me in Heilbronn, Germany, thanks very much for watching, and all the best.